Jonathan Hogan. I am the band instrument repair technician at Evansville-Vanderbilt School Corporation in Southern Indiana. I have been using Omega Ultrasonic cleaners since about 2019. My corporation recently got the Eastman 534s with the mile sections are removable like the Yamahas, and I know I needed to upgrade, so I got the Music Pro Plus so I could fit all those. It fits the the Yamaha 641s and the Eastman 534s, and then in this right now I have the YBB 105s, the workhorse of the fleet, and they're great just for cleaning these really fast and efficiently. I believe I've paid off the machine probably within maybe a month or less, depending on how much you use it regularly. I think I had some band directors come help me, and we turned out a bunch of marching band instruments very fast. The one, just mellophones and trumpets and baritones that don't have a lot of moving parts. I think we did about $10,000 in a day just in cleanings, and then I troubleshooted. So it's a great investment for anybody. I would highly recommend working with Omegasonics and getting your ultrasonic cleaner.